Axel, happy birthday din sa'yo. Si Vilma Ramos, happy birthday. At saka si Doc Hazel Tabayo, happy birthday. Birthday mo pala ngayon, Doc. Saka si Michelle Kabutahe, happy birthday. Michelle Kabutahe, parang kilala ko to ah. Oo, best friend. Long time best friend. Birthday mo pala ngayon. Happy lunchtime. At saka sa lahat ng mga Gledco employees, binabati rin natin Dino Roniscal and family and mga workmates niya. Hello sa inyo lahat. Magandang lunchtime na po sa inyo lahat, mga best friend natin dyan. At sa lahat din, ng mga nandiyan sa may kainan. Dapat may libre sa bawa, no? Mamayang hapon, kulitan na naman tayo para sa ating ayos ng tambayan. Susunod na ang ating RMN News Nationwide sa IFM, ang best friend mo.
Supay ah!
IFM ay aking best friend.
Pride with Fabcon. Ituloy ang bango with Pride.
Laoag function room.
Okay yan. Tawag na ako sa 770-3551 para magpa-reserve.
770-3551? Tara, punta na lang tayo sa Hotel Tiffany Building, Bacara Road, General Segundo Avenue, Laoag City. Nagugutom na kasi ako.
Okay, basta treat mo.
Sige ba? Mura na, masarap pa sa Macy's Diner dahil laging bagong luto.
It's time to eat at Macy's Diner.
The best way to go further. Astronic Auto Supply is the answer. Astronic Auto Supply is the easiest way to locate and buy quality name brand auto parts and accessories. Astronic Auto Supply gives you very affordable price of tires like Goodyear, Bridgestone, Gajatunggal, Dunlop, Motolite batteries, Mobile lubricants, and automotive truck parts. Mobile motor oil help you go the distance time and time. Nothing works harder to keep your car, truck, van, or SUV running smoothly. Astronic Auto Supply, your fastest and most reliable source of automotive parts. General Segundo Avenue, Laoag City.
IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko.
Merely passing through, doing what we can do in a lifetime. We have more than one adventure to take, more than one dream to make in a lifetime. As for me, there's only one dream, and that's to love you, my love. With a love to last a lifetime. We're fools, we sometimes do crazy things, and our hearts will take wings like a sparrow.